Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we have these proximity smart key fob for the Xhorse orange pack, and I'm gonna show you how to open them and put a battery on it. Let's go. Okay, the Xhorse have different kind of proximity, but this is the only two I have. I'm actually trying to generate for a Dodge Charger, and this is actually my first time opening it, so let me just put you to that one. This matte one right here, I think it's pretty easy. See that there's no light, so there's no battery. This one, you just press this button and snap out, which that's your flip key. It's actually fit there too. You have to remove that screw. And the back side, I normally have this flat screw, little tiny one. So I just put it right here, the edge, and snap that. And there you go. The battery actually goes here. Let's try. I think it's 2032. It's kind of dark in here in a way. There you go. 2032. Let's open it. Some brand new one. I believe it goes like that. Let's try it. There you go. That's it. And that's ready to be generated. Well, let's try this one. This is pretty tricky. Bear with me. The shiny one's pretty cool. About the same, but this one has 3 buttons: lock, unlock, and trunk. But this one is shiny with lock, unlock, trunk, and alarm. So you have a button back here. Just press that. Should remove there. And I believe you have to, I don't know if you can see it, that edge line, you gotta pry it to open. Let's try it. I think I need to have a bigger knife, but this one should work too. What I said, this is my first time opening it too, so bear with me. There you go. Oh, that's not bad. It's like opening a clam. I'm not sure if you separate that, but I don't want to break it. It's opening somehow. Right there. Maybe keep prying the bottom. Don't want to put scratch on it. It's going to be a new key for your customer. And then let's switch this with a flat screw. Let me see. How does it open? I think it's the front or the back opening up. I'm not sure. Might be able to push this down. Let's try some more. Keep prying. There you go. I just have to pry. So the front side removes. See that? This is opposite. And then you just have to remove these. Okay. There you go. It's open. Let's try to get the battery here from this one. Okay. And then the same thing, 2032, but this one, then we're gonna make it facing down. See that? It's actually blinking already. See that? I'm not gonna put it back together, but it's pretty straightforward. Put it in the back side first this way, and then close it up with the front, and everything goes back. And this one, the same thing. Your key goes here, and this should have a screw there. Well, let's try to generate it real quick. I already have it preset. That's what I need. And that's 4-button. Like, I have this little cheat sheet here. That's what I'm using. So you need lock, unlock, trunk, and a panic. So this is perfect for that. You don't want to be missing buttons for your customer. This has 4 buttons. So what we're gonna do is over here, you click that. It says smart key. I can show you the key blank as well. So I'll just lay it here and then generate remote. Just wait for a couple seconds. Oh, it takes a little while. It's still generating. So now it's generating again. But make sure don't do what I'm doing. I'm holding it. But technically you can just like lay it flat. Make sure it's not moving, and you don't want to interrupt it while generating it. The smart key. Got 49%, so I would say about 2 minutes. When you generate those wireless regular fobs, it takes really fast. And this one, I guess, because it's proximity, it's smart key, take a little longer. But in this situation, I don't have the prox smart key for that Dodge, so I have a customer that really wanted to get it done tonight, so I'm generating one. We'll see if we do another one. It's 97%. That's it. It says success. Normally I'll try it. See? And what I normally do sometimes, let me go back. Smart key. I guess I can remote on. That's it. So the frequency is 433. And what I need, which is right here, it says 4-button, and it's 433. I hope it works. What we gotta do, go to my customer and get this program. Lost key. All right. And that's how you change the battery and open these VVDI Xhorse smart key, universal smart key. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.